How to clean baking sheet. What is the best way to clean sheets and make it new again? In today's video, we are going to try a product to see if this is going to help us to clean a very dingy and filthy baking sheet to make it new again. So this video is going to be testing this product and we're all going to see if this really works. So let's dive right in. And so this is our baking sheet. This is how filthy this is. I tried so many things on this to make sure clean it up. It's not working. But today we are going to try a different product. And then look at this as well. Alright, so product that I'm going to try on this is going to be Easy Off. I've used this on so many things that it really works. I just haven't tried it on the baking sheet. So we are going to try this on the baking sheet to see if this really works. So I've tried other product, it didn't work. Let's try this. All you have to do is, first thing is just spray. Take the cap off and then make sure you wear gloves as well. And then just put on your gloves and then we are just going to spray. So according to this, you can use Easy Off on so many things, on oven doors, on oven stainless steel, and I have used this on my stainless steels and bent bottom of my pot. It really works. So we are going to try it on the baking sheet to see how that comes out. And then all you have to do is we are just going to spray. Once you put your gloves on, spray and turn this on in the back and then on the back as well. Just make sure that it cuts. And now we are just going to dry this outside. The best way to have this work is let it fume dried on it before you use it. So we are going to dry this out and I'm just going to lay this down here. Now the sun, there's going to be outside for it to dry. So we're going to spray the second one. And then we're going to spray the back as well. Just make sure it's all around. And then, you know, the second thing, we are just going to leave this to dry. So I'm going to lay it down here. So we leave this up here and we just let it dry out. For this to be effective, you have to let it dry. So we are just going to let it dry probably 2-3 hours. Or if you have a lot of sun or if it is a sunny day, then it's going to dry it out so quickly. So we're just going to let this dry out for the fume to penetrate and dry it on the sheet. And then it will be easy for us to take all these things off. After 100 years of waiting for our sheets to dry out, it is now time to start cleaning. Alright, so after 5 hours, this is how it looks like now. It has all dried out, both of these, and we are just going to add water, a little water, and then we are going to wet our soap pad as well, and then we just start scrubbing, and you can see right away this is coming right off. That's amazing. Look at that. Wow, look at this. Alright, and then we're just gonna wet here as well. And we start scrubbing. You don't have to do too much. You still have to scrub it, but it's not too bad at all. Look at that. And it just comes right out. So now we get the corners. That and this corner as well. Oh wow. Now look at our baking sheet. Looking brand new. Get all the corners at the back. The finish out. Now, you know, this is all clean now. And look at that. Now we're going to do the second one. Just going to add water, wet it. And just look at how quickly it's coming off. Look at that. Go to all the corners. And then this corner here. That corner there. And then we just get this. Look at that. That just looks so new. Get all corner and now let's go to the back. Just add a little water. Look at that. Coming off, coming off. Look at that. You just have to give it a little scrub. See all that corner inside there, the sides. That is going down. I love this. Just a little scrub and you have a brand new baking sheet or a brand new sheet. A little patience and you are done. Look at that. Look at the corner there. They're just gonna go around. Make sure these edges goes in and then you just scrub it and you can see right away. Right away it just cleans it. Then go around. Then go to the corners. Make a little edge here and then go inside it and scrub it. And look at that, it's all gone. Last corner here to go. Let your wool seal goes inside corners and then go up and down like that. That motion and then that's it. Look at that. That corner is done. This is the last here. As you can see, go inside that corner. Let's get in, get that out. That little spot. And look at that. We have a brand new baking sheet. I'm so excited. In here, I'm gonna get it all. Okay, so now looks like everything is clean up. All the edges around all the corners are all clean. So you can see it and that. And then let's just go be here and make sure everything is, go over everything. Make sure everything is clean. All the corners have this little part here. And we just clean that up as well. Then come to this side. This corner here. Go over everything. I'm just excited to see that my baking sheet just looks so new again. That's lovely. And look at that. So now all we have to do is just wash this off and use a dish soap and sponge. Clean it. And we are done. I think that little spot, this one there. Look at that. Now that is done. Okay. And that's it, everything. Let's go over this. Make sure we did not leave anything unclean. Everything is clean, so neat. That little spot, gotta go. This. And look at that. That. If you see any more spots, just use your thing and then it will just take it right away because it's already clean. Just wipe that off. That's it. See one more spot here. And that is done too. That little spot. Alright. Now everything is clean and spotless. So, just gonna use a dish soap. Then just wash this. Alright, wash this off now. Alright, our pan is ready. And then just wash off your gloves. Sponge as well. And then you can still reuse this because this is going to be a little briskier. There's not too much soap in here. Just keep it for another use, for something else. And just look at that. Look at how shining and bright this is. Everything is clean up. So bright, so new again. You now have a baking sheet that looks so new. Look at that. I love this. So shining. Every corner is clean and so bright. Look at that. Shining and bright. Clean and neat. So friends, if you're wondering how can I clean my baking sheet or my sheet and make it new again, I just show you in this video how you can do just that. by looking at this. Both of these baking sheets that we just cleaned, this should take you 10 to 15 minutes to have all this clean and make it new again by using Easy Off. Easy Off is an amazing cleaning product. I've used it to clean so many things. It's so easy. It makes cleaning easier. It takes the hard work out of your cleaning. You can use this on your baking sheet. You can use this on your oven rack to clean them. And I'll recommend this for you if you don't know about this. This is really good cleaning product to use for most things as your baking sheets. If you want to learn how to clean bent bottom of pots and make it new again, watch the next video. My name is Florence at florencestraka.com. Subscribe to this channel so I can make more videos like this. What is your best cleaning product that you love to use? Leave it in the comment section below for me. If you have any cleaning ideas, please leave it in the comment section below for me. As always, I thank you very much for watching my videos. Stay healthy and I will see you on that video. Take care. Bye.